minutes. 5:57 Arizona time. We're getting started here at the top of the hour. We'll also be discussing Thrivepalooza 2021, exciting news, hot off the press with that, and the launch of Thrive and Le-Vel in our Southeast Asian markets, which is super exciting to say the least. And lots of things happening in the world of Le-Vel. As you probably are aware, our Operation Winning promotion that was started to kick off 2021 is in absolute full force, which includes rank advancement cash bonuses on top of the compensation plan that's already offered, as well as rookie leaderboards happening twice a month for those new and upcoming promoters, which is very exciting. I'm a big fan of the rookie leaderboards because I've always believed if you can help the new person get success early in their business, that the likelihood of them having success later on in their business is so much more. The retention, if you will, is so much greater. Getting those new promoters, those early wins, if you will. And a win doesn't have to be a huge thing. If you're a promoter tonight, a win doesn't have to be winning $1 zillion or making $1 zillion. A win could be, their first 2 customers, their first 4 promoters, whatever it is. You always want to celebrate the small victories. And the thing about you being a veteran promoter, and I know this isn't a promoter training tonight, but just off the tip of my tongue here, your promoters only see something as big of a celebration as you do, right? They're only going to see it as big as small or small as you see it. So celebrating those small victories to you may not feel like a huge meaningful reason why or a huge accomplishment, but to them, oh wow, that's good. You mean that's good? I'm doing good. Like any kind of acknowledgement you make only builds people's spirits, their belief, their confidence that things are happening for them, and everything's heading the right reason. So take advantage of everything that's going on. We also have our June getaway that's happening in Mexico yet again, and super excited about that, and just everything, just the continued growth, the customer acquisition side of our business gets stronger and stronger each and every day. We're 9 years into this now, and really the main reason that we started the company was to not go be a direct sales company. It was to go build the world's best nutritional supplementation system, and that system is known as the Thrive Experience. And I think we've executed quite well on our goals that we set out early on, and the goals that we still have to today that you'll hear about tonight. So it is the top of the hour, 6 o'clock my time here in sunny Arizona. Thank you for taking your time out tonight to hear about the launch of Thrive Against Cancer with our Dermafusion technology product. And for those of you that are brand new to the call, the company, to the Thrive Experience, Dermafusion is our second step in our 3-step nutritional compounded system called the Thrive Experience. It's one giant formula compounded into 3 different formulas that you take on an empty stomach within 40 minutes of you being awake and out of bed in the morning. First step is your Thrive Premium Lifestyle capsules. Your second step is your shake mix, ultra micronized shake mix. Your third step is your DFT, and I think I said DFT earlier is the second step. So we all make mistakes. DFT is the third step in our Thrive 3-step experience. Dermafusion technology has been the only technology in this space that's coined and known as wearable nutrition. And I've been in this space for a little over 22 years, and I've seen a lot of products come and go. We all know that here at Le-Vel, the differentiating factors with us is our proprietary formulas. Only us has the rights and the access to our formulas. There's nobody else that can get it, that can copycat it, that can try to make it. You're not going to find our formulas being sold at your local vitamin store. You're not going to find it at your local drugstore. It's never going to be seen or found on shelves at brick and mortar stores. It's only available those formulas are only found and available at Lavelle.com. So proprietary is king, right? Our proprietary patents, our formulas, that's one of the things that sets us apart. The second thing that sets us apart is our commitment to quality. We all know that quality is not the same across the board in anything, right? If you want a good steak, you're not going to probably go to Chili's, which, I'm not downing Chili's as a restaurant. I'm just saying if we wanted to find the best steakhouse in the United States, we probably would not assume Chili's is going to have the best steakhouse, right? We would probably look for a steakhouse that was the absolutely best, the best source, the best beef, the best chef, the best everything in terms of a steakhouse environment, and we'd go eat there, right? We'd want that prime source beef or the Kobe source beef or the Wagyu, right? The best of that quality. If you're looking to buy your girlfriend the most thoughtful present you could ever think of, or maybe her wedding or her this, and you're going to get her a purse and you want to buy her the best purse that's made, you're probably not going to go to JCPenney's, right? Not downing JCPenney's, but we probably can all assume that the absolute best purse made on earth is probably not going to come from JCPenney's. It's probably not going to come from a Kohl's, right? And I'm not a female, but I would only assume probably the best purse would be a Louis Vuitton or a Chanel or something like that. So we all understand in life that quality is not the same. And so our commitment to quality, the finest raw-based ingredients that we can source to build our formulas on, has been a huge defining factor for us. And that was one of my passions early on when Paul and I got together to start Lavelle.com. Passion of his as well. Just something we're both, if we're going to do it, if I'm going to have my name on a product, if we're going to formulate something, we're only going to do the best, right? I don't want a subpar vitamin A. I want the most premium grade vitamin A, right? I don't want a Chili's steak. I want a Morton steak. I want a Kobe steak. I want a Wagyu beef. I want a prime beef, right? And so the highest quality possible to build our formulas on. And why is that so important? Well, if you've been on any of our calls in the past, quality drives nutrition, right? And so you can have a plant-based premium grade vitamin A, or you can have a synthetic plastic-based vitamin A. Both are vitamin A's. One is of a different source caliber, therefore has a different nutritional profile altogether. And it's that level of nutrition that you put in the product that people feel, right? That creates the feel of our products. If you have taken supplements in the past and like felt a let down feeling, to say the least, that you really didn't feel them, I don't know if this is working, like those are probably common thoughts that a lot of people have after purchasing a nutritional supplement, that they don't feel it and they don't know if it's working. And so why we have been able to go on and build a company now approaching $3 billion in global all-time sales is because our products have a very, very high efficacious nature to them. You're feeling the product. You know the product is delivering results, and it's that feeling that creates an experienced, rich culture, right? And that's what you want if you're more than just a customer on the line tonight. If you're a promoter out there building a business, you want to build teams of people that are experiencing our products, right? It's an experience-based behavior that really drives retention. You know, if you think about why is somebody going to continue to spend their hard-earned money with any product, with any company, for any brand, it's because they have a sense of passion that's developed, a sense of loyalty. They have a quantifiable result that they can point to, and it's an experience-based culture. And that's what we have here at Lavelle. And we are super excited to share more with you about tonight. So out of the last 9 years in business, when we launched that third step for the Thrive experience, it was one formula at that time. It was the first of our wearable nutrition product line called Dermafusion Technology, DFT. Since then, we've gone on to develop various formulas depending on the intended use. So maybe a formula that was more focused on euphoric feelings and a overall sense of well-being, more stamina, more endurance. Those type of properties would speak to our black label. And then we've gone on to build DFT Ultra, which was a more weight loss, weight management based product that had a higher level of appetite control, not suppression, but appetite control. We then went and developed our Ultra, or our Burn series, or DFT Burn and Burn Duo, that had the highest levels of our force lean, using 95% extract, meaning it's only diluted, if you will, by 5%, which is crazy. That's super, super, super high. Like most of your extracts are probably a 25% pure, or if it's really, really good, a 45%, a 50% pure extract would be super, super high. And for us to launch 95% force lean, that's been one of our all-time most successful products. And so Thrive Against Cancer is our latest and greatest by all means, not just newest, but truly latest and greatest in terms of engineering. So short story long story short, about 10 months ago-ish, I was looking around. I'm always at the drawing board thinking, what can we do next? Where do we go now? How do we do it better? What's our next move? What's our next product? What's our next innovation? How do we be different? I feel that successful people in life stay in that state of mind. How do I get better? How do I get better? Like who likes to feel good about going backward? Nobody, right? I mean, you don't want your kids slipping in school. You don't want their grades going the other way. You as a parent or a spouse, like we all want to feel productive. We all want to feel that we're in a state of forward progress. And that's what we try to do with Le-Vel and our product line. We acknowledge what we have done over the last 9 years. And if we didn't do anything else, that's by far over and above what almost all companies on earth have done, right? We feel like we've done a very good job these last 9 years. And if there wasn't anything else, that was a lot. Great job. But that's not us. It's a continued state of focus, okay? How do we make our grades better this year? How do we make our product line better? Where do we go from here? And about 10 months ago, give or take, it just hit me. And why it hit me was because it was about a week-long event where I felt almost every day, and it may have been every day, and if it wasn't every day, it was very close, call it every other day, I was getting notified of somebody that I knew in some form or fashion being diagnosed with cancer, and one of those people was my mother for the second time in her life, that her lymphoma has resurfaced, right? And it just was every day, it seemed like for a week, cancer. And so it caused me to start thinking, and my wheels to start turning, how can we as a company do more? Like how can we as a culture, which is exactly what these thousands and thousands and thousands of people listening to this call are, that's what our 170,000 people that follow us on Instagram are. That's what our million plus people that follow us on Facebook are. That's what our 10 million plus customer accounts in our system are. We are a culture. We are a movement, right? This is the Thrive experience. This is Le-Vel.com. This is about helping people live a premium life they deserve via our product lines for a physical perspective, via our rewards plan for financial perspectives, right? And so we help people get from A to B in life, whether it's our nutritional products and or our reward system, selling and talking about our nutritional products. And so it caused me to start thinking, how can we be more? What else can we do? We have this huge presence of people and culture that all want to do good and that all want to benefit for the sake of good. And that is how the Thrive Against Cancer thought process started. And looking at what we have done over the last several years with our October Breast Cancer Awareness Month, that really caused things to start, the wheels to start turning and asking the right questions. Well, that's been super successful. It is super successful every October. Well, why are we only focusing on cancer one time of year? And why can't we do more? And how would we do more? And what if we took the breast cancer awareness campaign and that model, and what if we made the right partnerships with the right nonprofit cancer-based organizations? And yeah, I get it. COVID and this pandemic has been hard on a lot of people, but cancer has impacted everyone all over the world for the last X amount of years since human beings have been born. Since human beings have lived on this planet, cancer has impacted us. So if you want to talk about a pandemic lasting 1 year versus a human being crisis lasting for the eternity of human beings, I think you can begin to calculate the impact of one versus the other. And so looking at something that has just impacted us from such a large scale in all forms of our life, what Thrive Against Cancer is engineered to be about in the first step. So the first step out of 2 steps for Thrive Against Cancer, why it was created and what it's supposed to do, is we are supposed to make an impact in the cancer conversation through the donations that will get the sale of cancer. The one thing that I want to make extremely clear, like crystal crisp, 1,000,000% clear, the Thrive Against Cancer formula has zero to do with cancer, nothing to do with cancer. We would get in so much trouble anybody ever markets product that way. That's not what it's about. We are simply taking a portion of the sale Thrive Against Cancer, and every month we are changing what the cancer cause is for. So 1 month it might be breast cancer awareness. The next month it might be lymphoma cancer awareness. The next month it might be ovarian cancer awareness. So the only impact being made is a very meaningful impact being made, and that is from a monetary perspective. So please, please, please know that the formula itself is in no way whatsoever supposed to do anything in terms of cancer for somebody. It's simply a monetary give back that we're making. Before I go into the second step that Thrive Against Cancer is about, which is the formula and what it's doing for people, I want to talk about our beliefs and our efforts quickly on who our partners are. So when we looked at the entire space of nonprofit cancer organizations that we could partner with and participate with, one of the big things to me is moving the needle. I do a lot of things from a give back, charitable cause inside of LaBelle, and I do a lot of outside of LaBelle. Many of you know that my wife and I live part of the year in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. Part of our heart is in Mexico. We absolutely love the culture. We love the people. And, I sit on a board there that's about giving the necessities and elements to children that are literally going to live or die, right there in the spot. Las Cabos Children's Foundation. And one thing that's important to me about that moment, being able to move the needle, right? And when you look at a lot of charitable organizations, they may have a lot of merit to them, but one might argue that it's really not moving the needle. You know, and I want to say this lightly. We're not knocking what anybody's trying to do when someone's trying to help, but if you could give someone, let's say, a blanket to keep warm, or if you could really correct the solution why the person is cold to begin with, right? That's what I would call moving the needle, right? If someone's cold and we need to help them because they're cold, yeah, sure, giving them a blanket helps that. Giving them a jacket helps that. But why did they end up cold to begin with? How can we address that root cause? And so I'm not saying that every charitable partner that we've partnered with on the project is addressing the root cause of cancer. I'm just saying that they're doing their damn best, pardon my French, to really move the needle and make the biggest impact. And so that's what's important to me on who we partner with. People that are really, organizations that are really making an impact at this fight against cancer, which is absolutely 1 billion% what it is. It is a fight against cancer. So that is the first step of what Thrive Against Cancer is about. The second step, what Thrive Against Cancer is about, is the efficacy, the intended result that somebody is to experience when the nutritional content that PAC has. So I knew early on from what I've experienced with the Breast Cancer Awareness Initiative, I knew for this to work in a huge fashion, it had to be the biggest, the best, the greatest DFT from an engineering perspective we have ever built from a long shot, because I knew two things. One, I knew that people would want to partake in this because there is a feel-good aspect to it, right? Whether you were to like the product or not, you would feel good because it's you're doing a great thing, right? Like you're participating in a good cause for a reason, and that feels good. So people naturally want to participate in that. But for us to really, really make an impact, for us to really, really say we're moving the needle, I knew that if we manufactured and engineered truly the best that we've ever created, that moving the needle now goes to 10x of our projections, because now we're not only capturing promoters and customers who want to buy the product because of the feel good aspect, we're now actually capturing people that, as sad as it sounds, really don't care that much about the give back feature, but that's the best formula I have ever experienced in my life, and they are not going to stop taking it. So we essentially can capture two buckets right there. We capture the people that want to participate because of give back, but then we're capturing a whole nother bucket of people that we wouldn't have really captured, that are just not, for whatever reason, really moved about charitable reasons. It's just maybe they do their own charitable thing and they feel like they don't need to do this one. But if that product, pardon my French again, if that formula is so damn good, then that is the attractiveness of it. And so the launch of this product, and I talked about this in Cabo for the people that were there for the LaBelle Lifestyle Getaway, this formula is no sales pitch. You'll feel it, you'll experience it yourself, is bar none the greatest engineered product that we've ever manufactured. And for a weight loss perspective, I also knew going into this, okay, what does 90% of all people purchasing nutritional products, not just our products, but what do all percent, what portion of all percentage of nutritional products being purchased, what percentage of that are weight loss products? We know it's huge, 90%, right? Everything that's sold online, nutritional based, is likely for weight management, toning up. We know weight management is king, weight loss is king. And so Thrive Against Cancer is a formula that is about weight management. What I want you to understand, though, is it's not a product where, like my neighbor, who she says, I don't need to lose any weight whatsoever, but I love it. I feel fantastic. My energy, my endurance is through the roof. I'm sleeping better. I can't, it's hard to even explain. I mean, I just feel amazing. So you're going to have a lot of people that stick to this product because of the feel factor of this. I mean, mark my words. If there's one thing you write down tonight, say, Jason Camper said TAC is going to have the most feel factor of all the DFTs. And so outside of the feel factor are 3 steps, this being the third for people that want to make it their third, combined with the addition, if those so choose to do it, of things like Sculpt, things like Biotic. I don't know any other way possible to help somebody truly look the way they want from a health and wellness perspective. Tighten up the diet, tighten up the carbs, tighten up the sugar. Your 3 steps, the TAC, DFT being the third, sprinkle in some Biotics, sprinkle in some Sculpt. The amount of nutrition at that point going through your body on the proper diet is burning serious amounts of stored fat if you line it up to be that way. And this is not a diet-based call, but wow. I think you guys have heard my calls in the past. And so with that being said, I truly, truly believe the results that you guys are going to not only see, but feel with the TAC launch, combined with what we're able to do from a monetary perspective, has got to be one of the most unique things this company has done since the day it started. Not only are we able to help people get what they're wanting from a nutritional perspective, from a physical perspective, but because of the high level of those results, therefore resulting in a serious move the needle monetary kickback that we're able to do with our cancer fighting partners that we partner with. It's just such a cool concept, and I know many of you are excited about it for the same reasons I am, but I wanted to share a little bit deeper tonight of everything inclusive of the concept, because I think you can see now, oh wow, yeah, I knew this was going to attract people that were really fired up about the fight against cancer, but now I see that this will attract people that have nothing to do, that they don't even know someone who's been impacted by cancer. Like, cancer really isn't important to them. They don't even think about it, but this formula is super important to them. So therefore those of us that do want to move the needle fighting against cancer, we're able to, because of the mass appeal that the formula has and the mass effectiveness that the results will resemble out there in the marketplace. So super excited for that to go live tonight. I believe it's going live at the halfway mark on the hour tonight. So be checking the shopping cart. That should go live in anywhere from 5 minutes to 20 minutes. I don't know if we timed it at 7:30 or 7:45 Central Time, but it's going to be launching here very soon. The last thing that I need you to know, we have what we predicted to be around 48 hours of inventory based on projections of past data. Our second round, if you will, our second batch, if you will be in our warehouses in roughly, call it a week. We're trying to improve those time frames, but not sure if it's 7 days, it may be 15 days, it may be 10 days, it may be 6 days, right? I'm kind of giving you the most upfront scenarios. And with that being said, if you or anyone you know on your team, customers and promoters, are interested in the TAC and you want it now, so you don't have to wait for a couple of weeks potentially, I would encourage you to place your orders, because if our is accurate and we do make that 48-hour mark, you're looking at this product coming down later this week and kind of being on hold. And so those of you that are super motivated, et cetera, you get what I'm trying to say. So be ready to pull the trigger. Before we close out tonight's call, I want to talk about Thrive Against Cancer. I want to talk about Thrive-Palooza 2021. So we are also super pumped to announce tonight that later this week, we will be rolling out the Thrive-Palooza 2021 game plan. So we are having Thrive-Palooza the first weekend, last weekend of April, first weekend of May. And we've been working super diligently with the Fort Worth Convention Center and the local guidelines that the city has established, the state and the city, for us to be able to conduct this convention in an appropriate manner following these guidelines. So we've been working super close with them, and to be, as you can imagine, we can't put 10,000, 15 people, 15,000, 20,000 people in a convention center like we've done in the past. Utilizing these guidelines and what is available, the parameters that we have to work from within, I believe that number is going to come in somewhere between 3,000 and 5,000 spaced out, way they need to be spaced out in this ballroom, in this convention center. And so we'll be getting that agenda to you, and yet again, another scenario where it's not come one, come all. It is a restricted first come, first served basis. So those of you that bought a ticket last year, you're going to have the opportunity to roll it in to this year's and all of those things. But be ready for those of you that are serious about building your business and taking it to the next level and being in that super environment. We had an agenda call today, and some of the things the team is looking at right now. Our focus for this year is meaningful content to grow your business and absolute fun. We want this experience at Thrive-Palooza to not only give you the knowledge you need to go to the next level, but most importantly, we want you leaving there thinking this was the most fun meeting, quote unquote, that I've ever attended in my life. Like, we want people to really come, get the information needed to go to the next level. But at the end of the day, let's have fun. We're in a social-based business, and we're here to enjoy life, and we're here to enjoy relationships and people, and Thrive-Palooza 2021 is definitely going to check all those boxes. Last but not least, before we get off the line tonight, many of you that follow us on social media, and if you don't do so, please follow us on Instagram. I said that at the beginning of the call. I'll say it at the closing of the call here. If you're not following Lavelle Official on Instagram, please go search and click the follow button now. Also follow myself, Jason Camper, on Instagram. I talk a lot about Lavelle, a lot about Thrive, and a little bit about my personal life. And for those of you that are interested in any of those things, feel free to follow me on that page. And if you have been following, you saw about a week ago that we posted about we are days away from our Southeast Asia pre-launch. And so that is coming very, very soon, I believe. At the very latest, at the end of this week, we're going to be turning our systems on to allow for customers and promoters in Southeast Asia to create accounts only. They will not be able to order product, but they will be able to create an account, get their account set up. And what's important in terms of that is really on the promoter side of the thing. There's promoters in these markets, Hong Kong, Vietnam, et cetera, Southeast Asian markets. They can actually use this period as a pre-launch time to get people in, get people positioned, get that synergy, that momentum to start before we flip the switch and allow for orders. So someone could have a running head start in that market, in these markets, before we're even live, before we even officially doing business, taking orders, shipping product. And based on the momentum we see in markets, will determine what markets we actually turn on orders for. It's a substantial amount of work. It's a substantial amount of invested capital, and it's just we need to do it for the right reasons in the right markets. Those markets that are showing the quickest and earliest success and interest are really the markets that we're going to focus on. So everything and a lot of things to be excited for, be grateful for, be thankful for, and Thrive Against Cancer is certainly one of those. Thank you for being on this call tonight. Thank you for being a customer, promoter, whatever your official title is for this company. And do know that we do not take your loyalty for granted. We fight every day to make right decisions and earn that loyalty, that respect for a company called Lavelle and a product line called Thrive, and we'll continue to do so. So have a good night. God bless. Thrive Against Cancer is officially launched. Let's be sharing those results on social media as the product starts delivering. Let's get our teams lined up for Thrive Palooza 2021. And for those of you that know people in Southeast Asian markets, be ready to pull the trigger on that and continue seeking those operation winning bonuses the rest of March, going into April. That will then parlay us into Thrive Palooza and jump to Mexico for our June getaway. Lots of stuff to focus on, lots of reasons to be putting the pedal to the metal. And with that said, have a good night. God bless. Bye-bye.
All right, you guys, get in your clouds, get your orders placed. It goes really, really fast. They're cheap. They're only $64, you guys. I'm like tripping on the price. This is recorded, so if you need to share it with your teams, get your notes to your teams. I love you guys. I will see you guys in 2 hours on our Thrive Tribe Zoom.